Seafood, especially fish, is one of the few foods that has remained largely untouched by some of the unethical practices seen in modern agriculture, such as genetically modified organisms, GMOs, for capital gain. Unlike many land-based foods that undergo heavy modification to increase yields, fish from the ocean are still harvested in a more natural state, providing a healthier, more sustainable option for consumers. Wild-caught fish, in particular, come straight from the ocean to your plate, ensuring a nutrient-rich meal free from the influence of synthetic alterations that are often used in factory farming. For those seeking a natural and ethically sourced food option, seafood offers a purer choice, allowing you to enjoy nature's bounty with peace of mind. In addition to its ethical standing, seafood is also packed with health benefits. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, essential vitamins, and lean protein, fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines can greatly contribute to heart health, cognitive function, and overall wellness. The fishing industry, when done responsibly, supports local economies without the intense environmental degradation often linked to mass farming. This makes seafood not only a delicious, versatile option in the kitchen, but also a choice that supports both your health and the health of the planet. Whether grilled, baked, or steamed, seafood remains a staple that aligns with ethical, nutritional, and environmental values.